मुझे मीठा खाना मना है। I am forbidden to eat sweets. I am forbidden to eat sweets. तुम किस पर गई हो? Who do you take after? Who do you take after? वह अपने पापा पर गया है। He takes after his father. He takes after his father. दिन दहाड़े वहां चोरी हो गई। There was a theft there in a broad daylight. There was a theft there in a broad daylight. पलक झपकते ही सब कुछ बदल गया। Everything changed in a jiffy. Everything changed in a jiffy. हर सुख दुख में वो मेरे साथ है। He is with me in every will and woe. He is with me in every will and woe. आज वहां जाना ठीक नहीं है। It is not worthwhile going there today. It is not worthwhile going there today. कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा। No excuse will do. No excuse will do. मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाओ। Don't make me say. Don't make me say. मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था। I did not mean that. I did not mean that. मैं तुम्हें बहुत झेल चुका हूँ। I have had enough of you. I have had enough of you. कभी तुमने सोचा है? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever thought about it? तुम्हें उसे पीटने का कोई हक नहीं है। You have no right to beat him. You have no right to beat him. वह मेरा बस एक अच्छा दोस्त है। He is just my good friend. He is just my good friend. तुम मुझ पर नजर रख रहे थे। You were keeping an eye on me. You were keeping an eye on me. मैं तुमसे मिलना चाहता हूँ। I want to meet you. I want to meet you. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है। It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. मेरा अपमान करना बंद करो। Stop insulting me. Stop insulting me. सब एकदम सही था। Everything was perfect. Everything was perfect. बात की गंभीरता को समझो। Understand the gravity of the situation. Understand the gravity of the situation. मेरा मतलब तुम्हें दुख पहुंचाना नहीं था। I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. तोड़ना आसान नहीं है। It's not easy to break. It's not easy to break. बर्दाश्त करना आसान नहीं है। It's not easy to bear. It's not easy to bear. वह कोई और नहीं बल्कि मैं था। He was none other than me. He was none other than me. समय सबसे बड़ा मरहम है। Time is a great healer. Time is a great healer. यार दिमाग का दही मत करो। Don't wreck my brain. Don't wreck my brain. वह तो बस बातों का ही शेर है। He is just a paper tiger. He is just a paper tiger. इसमें बुरा मानने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to be offended by? What is there to be offended by? मेरे जख्म अभी तक नहीं भरे हैं। My wounds haven't healed yet. My wounds haven't healed yet. मैं इस मोबाइल की गारंटी नहीं ले सकता। I can't vouch for this mobile. I can't vouch for this mobile. जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ, as far as I know, as far as I know, मैं अंगड़ाई ले रही हूँ। I'm stretching myself. I'm stretching myself. कृपया मुझे इशारों पर मत नचाओ। Please don't make me dance to your tunes. Please don't make me dance to your tunes. तुम्हारा काम तारीफ के काबिल है। Your work is praiseworthy. Your work is praiseworthy. उसके साथ बुरा बर्ताव किया गया। He was treated badly. He was treated badly. बेझिझक कुछ भी पूछो। Feel free to ask anything. Feel free to ask anything. अपनी भड़ास मुझ पर मत निकालो। Don't vent your anger on me. Don't vent your anger on me. तुम्हारा घमंड ने तुम्हें बर्बाद कर दिया है। Your pride has ruined you. Your pride has ruined you. अपने आप को डेढ़ जाना मत समझो। Don't be so big-headed. डोंट बी सो बिग हेडेड। मैं कुछ नहीं करने जा रही हूँ। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग। मैं तुम्हारे झूठ से तंग आ गया हूँ। आई एम फेड अप विथ योर लाइज। आई एम फेड अप विथ योर लाइज। वह तुमसे 100 गुना अच्छा है। He is 100 times better than you. He is 100 times better than you. बस कुछ ही दिनों की बात है। It's a matter of a few days. It's a matter of a few days. इस बात को राज ही रहने दो। Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. हमारी बोलचाल बंद है। We are not on talking terms. We are not on talking terms. मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो। टेक मी टू योर शेल्टर। टेक मी टू योर शेल्टर। उसने सबको पीछे छोड़ दिया। He overshadowed everyone. He overshadowed everyone. उसने हमें शर्मिंदा कर दिया। He put us to shame. He put us to shame. वो खुशी के मारे पागल हो गई। She went crazy out of happiness. She went crazy out of happiness. मेरा कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like some eating. I feel like some eating. घाव काफी गहरा है। The wound is quite deep. The wound is quite deep. मैं सभी को खाना खिलवा रहा हूँ। I'm getting the food served to all. I'm getting the food served to all. आप मुझे दुखी कर रहे हैं। You are making me sad. You are making me sad. चाहे जो हो मैं वहां जाऊंगा। No matter what, I will go there. No matter what, I will go there. भगवान जाने ये किसने बनाया। God knows who made this. God knows who made this. पापा एक आध घंटे में पहुंचने वाले हैं। Dad is about to reach in an hour or so. Dad is about to reach in an hour or so. आपको नौकरी से हटाया जाता है। You are dismissed from the job. You are dismissed from the job. कुछ भी हो सकता था। Anything could have happened. Anything could have happened. ऐसी चीजें मैं भी नहीं खाता। I don't eat such things either. I don't eat such things either. ऐसा ख्याल तक मुझे नहीं आता। I can't even think so. I can't even think so. तुम मुझे रोक नहीं पाओगे। You will not be able to stop me. You will not be able to stop me. उसका भी कोई नहीं था। Nobody was his either. Nobody was his either. हम एक दूसरे के यहाँ आते जाते नहीं। We are not in visiting terms. We are not in visiting terms. वहाँ जाना ठीक नहीं है। It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. सच कहूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। To be honest, I'm very happy. To be honest, I'm very happy. वो जिंदगी और मौत के बीच जूझ रहा है। He is hovering between life and death. He is hovering between life and death. कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा। Nobody will notice. Nobody will notice. जूस को हल्के हल्के पियो। Sip the juice slowly. Sip the juice slowly. बातचीत से करीबी बढ़ती है। Conversation increases the proximity. Conversation increases the proximity. मैं कहाँ कहाँ जा सकता हूँ। Where all can I go? Where all can I go? आप किसके साथ बैठ सकते हो। With whom can you sit? With whom can you sit? अपने हाथ अच्छे से साफ कर लो। Wash your hands properly. Wash your hands properly. हमें पीटा जा रहा था। We were being beaten. We were being beaten. मुझे किताब दी जाएगी। I will be given a book. I will be given a book. मुझे तुम्हारे बारे में बताया गया है। I have been told about you. I have been told about you. उनके साथ बुरा बर्ताव किया गया। They were treated badly. They were treated badly. ये एक पक्की सड़क है। This is a metalled road. This is a metalled road. यह कानून के विरुद्ध है। It's against the law. It's against the law. यह गैरकानूनी काम है. This is an illegal act. This is an illegal act. इस ग्लास को मत तोड़ो. Don't break this glass. Don't break this glass. मैं गिरते गिरते बचा. I narrowly escaped falling. I narrowly escaped falling. वहाँ कोई नहीं होगा. There will be no one. There will be no one. खेलने के लिए लड़के नहीं हैं. There are no boys to play. There are no boys to play. उसके बटुए में पैसे नहीं है. There is no money in his wallet. There is no money in his wallet. जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. बर्गर खाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to eat burger. There is no need to eat burger. तुम्हें अपने काम में व्यस्त रहना चाहिए. You must be busy in your work. You must be busy in your work. दिखाओ चोट कहाँ लगी है. Show me where you have been hurt. Show me where you have been hurt. सीधे खड़े रहो, झुको नहीं. Stand upright, don't bend. Stand upright, don't bend. मैं सीखने में अपना समय बिताता हूँ. I spend my time in learning. I spend my time in learning. तुम्हें तो खांसी हो गई है. You have got cough. You have got cough. मुंह ढककर खांसी करो. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. मैं तुमसे जरूर मिलूंगा. I will surely meet you. I will surely meet you. जल्दबाजी में तुम भूल जाते हो. You always forget in haste. You always forget in haste. वो मेरे दिलो दिमाग पर बस गई है. She has got onto my heart and soul. She has got onto my heart and soul. वो एक कुख्यात व्यक्ति है. He is a notorious person. He is a notorious person. तुम उसका पता कैसे जानते हो? How do you know his address? How do you know his address? अच्छा होगा कि तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. You had better go from here. You had better go from here. मैं उससे मिलना जरूरी नहीं समझता. I do not consider it necessary to meet him. I do not consider it necessary to meet him. मैंने वहाँ रुकना जरूरी नहीं समझा. I didn't consider it necessary to stay there. I didn't consider it necessary to stay there. आपका काम कैसा चल रहा है? How about your work? How about your work? इतने दिनों से कहाँ है? Where have you been all? Where have you been all? उसे पता है वह क्या कर रही है. She knows what she is doing. She knows what she is doing. उस पर आज नहीं आनी चाहिए. She should not be harmed. She should not be harmed. मैं तो अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. I am doing my work. I am doing my work. ऐसा करने में क्या हर्ज है? What's the harm in doing so? What's the harm in doing so? देरी के लिए मुझे खेद है. I'm sorry for the delay. I am sorry for the delay. वे कठिनाई से काम कर रहे हैं. They are working hard. They are working hard. हमें एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए. We should help each other. We should help each other. मुझे काम के लिए देरी हो रही है. I'm getting late for work. I'm getting late for work. अभी समय क्या हो रहा है? What is the time now? What is the time now? वह दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा. He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. तुम कब से इंतजार कर रहे हो? How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? तुम्हें किस चीज की जरूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? तुमने यह कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या तुम इसे फिर से कर सकते हो? Can you do it again? Can you do it again? मुझे अपना परिचय देने दीजिए. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. तुम इस मामले से दूर रहो. You stay out of this. You stay out of this. तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so silent? Why are you so silent? क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? तुम इतने खुश क्यों हो? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? मुझे थोड़ी देर आराम करना है. I need to rest for a while. I need to rest for a while.